Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back. Here is my first video of 2026. Happy New Year. I hope everybody is staying safe and ready to craft. I tried to stay up. I'm just predicting. I'm filming this a couple days before, but so I wanted to come on. I have decided to continue Penny's open collaboration hashtag Deck the Year, and for 2026, I have decided that I'm just going to keep two playing cards and I'm going to choose the memory decks or the Rolodex cards. I have a plan for those particular cards. I want to add a a greeting farm little girl or a gorgeous girl on them, and maybe a Julie Nutting doll. I don't know. I kind of want to mix it up this year. That is my plan. So I'm going to do just playing cards, maybe 1 month or 1 week playing card, the next week memory decks, and then, playing card and then a memory deck. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But that is my plan for 2026. I want to keep it simple. Um, I love doing those time cards, and I'm still going to do the time cards for my Julie Nutting dolls series, and so I am still going to be doing those. So I think by doing this and the Memdex or the Rolodex cards and switching off and on, I think that is manageable for me. Um, we'll see. I might just do playing cards because they're quick and easy and real simple. So for this week, January 1st, 2026, I am altering a playing card. It is January, so I always think of January as, snowy. Um, it is a new year, and I was going to do a New Year's card, but I kept it to the snowy theme. So I'm using this paper, and this is the paper, kind of like a paper that I'm using for my Julie Nutting doll. And I had some scraps left, and I was like, oh gosh, I want to use them up. I want to use the paper. I want to use what I have, guys. And that is another, I know I've said this before. I am going to try my hardest to use what I have and not um, go out and buy. And I know that's hard for us because there's such cute things that come out every year, paper and dyes. Those two are my weaknesses, paper and dyes. Oh my gosh. And if Dollar Tree is not bringing back crafty stuff or crafty stickers or anything like that, I have stickers to last me for eons. So maybe that's a good thing. um, so I used some of that paper. I even tore some of this plaid paper that kind of goes with the tone of it. I love the snowman in the center. I punched out some glitter um, snowflakes from this paper. I think this was a color box paper, and they do flake off, but that's okay. I don't mind. And then I had some stickers in my extra sticker book, or not sticker book, but sticker pack or something like that. I added that, and then I added these pretty white pearls. So that is for the first week of January. I do want to share. Oh, so I have these Heidi Swap um, dies that I've had in my stash for a long, long time. I also have the punch. I don't have the punch out, but I wanted to come on and share that. I mean, I think Allie or KS Crafts, some China companies, even you can find these probably on um, Amazon, not necessarily from Heidi Swap, because I don't even know if they make them anymore, but other companies have, different shape um, memory decks cards. These were memory decks cards. And I've used these many, many times in the past. I love these ones with the tabs. So I am going to probably cut out or die cut a bunch of these out. So I'll have on hand. All I have to do is just grab it and create with them. And I like to use file folders for these because they're a little bit stronger or, thicker than cardstock. And so I want to use that. And then when you layer the pattern papers, it just adds thickness to your cards. You can even use a really thin chipboard like these I keep these packaging from the Dollar Tree. These were these rectangle cookie boxes I used this year for coworkers. Um, and I keep these and I die cut this and a file folder, and I layer them up. And with the pattern papers that you use, you can really make it sturdy. And then I want to put a type of girly doll on there. Trying to use my stamps that I have. I have quite a bit of new stamps, and I want to use them this year. So that is my plan for 2026. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. And I will see you next week. Okay? Thanks, guys. Have a great week. Bye now.